Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to keep a player. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In ESPN Fantasy Football, the ability to keep a player usually refers to keeping a player from your previous season roster for the next season in a keepers league. In order to do it, what you need to do is first head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on login option on the bottom of your screen, and then once logged into your account, what you need to do is confirm your league is a keeper league. Not all ESPN leagues support keeping players. Check your league manager or league settings to see if keeper mode is enabled. Usually there is keeper deadline shortly after the season ends or before the new draft starts. During this time, you'll select which players to keep. Now, in order to do it, simply go to your league page, look for a keepers or manage keeper option, then choose the players you want to keep, and then save your selections. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.